Hello and welcome back to Rhythm Rap Challenge number 3. Today's lesson focuses on 16th notes and 8th notes. Remember, while they are shorter, still have some body to the note. Don't make it too pecky short. We still need to hear what you're doing and what you're playing. Let's hear that beat. Teary teary tee 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 tee. Teary teary tee 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 tee. Ta tee tee. Ta tee tee. Rest ta ta teary teary. Rest ta ta teary teary. Ta teary teary ta. Ta teary teary ta. Rest ta ta teary teary. Rest ta ta teary teary. Teary teary tee 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 tee. Teary teary tee 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 tee. Tee 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 tee. Tee 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 tee. Excellent job with that. So again, the focus is when you're playing those and doing those shorter notes there. You want to make sure you still have body to the note, but not so pecky. Like we still want to hear teary teary tee tee tee. All right. Good luck with Rhythm Rap Challenge number 3 and replay it. Try it again.